Drones are becoming an essential tool for site inspections. Drone can significantly reduce inspection times while providing reliable data, so you can make better decisions. More important than the hardware itself is the information it provides. The software delivers valuable analytics to help you achieve operational efficiency. The challenges of current inspection methods are related to time, costs, and data reliability. Because current methods rely only on visual inspections, depending on the site, they can take several weeks to complete. The time-consuming aspects, due to the heavy use of manpower, which is coupled to the need for special equipment, can result in a significant increase in cost. Manual methods can also be an obstacle for identifying, documenting, and all issues on your site. Finally, inspections and maintenance staff are often exposed to working in high-risk conditions. Transformative technologies like the Internet of Things, machine learning are shaping our future of operational efficiency in many industries. Most of the challenges associated with the current inspection methods are remedied by drone technologies. Drones use state-of-the-art imaging technology, which can reduce inspection time to mere hours. On average, drone inspections are 90% faster than manual inspections. These flights are typically performed by an operator, which can free up resources to focus on anomalies. One of the most interesting aspects of drone inspections is their ability to directly interface with the enterprise systems to deliver analytics and anomaly reports. Drone inspections also mitigate the risk of injuries, maintenance operators by collecting information on-site, but from a safe distance. These advantages are clear to certain industries. Drones are starting to help out utilities to carry out predictive maintenance of electricity lines, solar panels, wind turbines. But with the exponential growth of these technologies, industries will find the challenges to be more in terms of implementation and scalability. Choosing the right partners to support these operations will be critical for success. Contact Sitemark to see how you can benefit from incorporating drones into your inspections.